Counselor, can you believe she wants to spend $60,000 on
What
a
is
wedding?
wrong with $60,000?
That's a huge amount of money we don't have.
People spend more than that. $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. It's a loan. Get a loan. That's all I'm saying.
Counselor, can you help me here?
So, I met a photographer and a videographer. Babe, you should see their work.
Okay. So you've seen their work?
Topless, yes, babe. You know
How much
me.
are they charging?
I know. So, the photographer is taking $5,000, and then the videographer is taking $10,000 only. The venue
Wait,
for the
sweetheart, did you just say $10,000?
Yes, babe.
No, hold on. 10 US dollars?
Yes, babe. $10,000 US.
Sweetheart, are you hearing yourself? You want to spend $10,000 on a What is he making, a movie?
What do you mean? Is he trying to do a movie? What are you expecting him to charge? Babe, what's going on? Are we on the same page?
I'm sorry. That's just absurd, but it's okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Do you really want to go through this list?
I'm sorry. Yes, go ahead. I'm sorry. No, go ahead. I'm sorry. What else you got? What else you got, baby?
So, as I was saying,
It's okay.
the photographer is taking $5,000. The videographer is taking $10,000. The venue for the wedding is $20,000 only. My hair, makeup, my gown, and everything should not cost more than, say, $15,000. And then
okay,
the food.
Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I love you.
Are you kidding me again?
No, sweetheart, listen. You know I love you, right? But baby, I want this day to be a very good day for you, and I want you to be special, right? But I don't want to spend that amount of money on the wedding right now. We don't have that amount of money.
What do you mean we don't have that amount of money?
What you just mentioned is over $60,000.
No, it's not over, baby. You didn't even let me finish. It's only $60,000, baby.
Baby, but right now in my bank account, I tell you the truth, baby, I only have $15,000. And even with $15,000,
Wait.
listen,
Is this a joke?
No. Even with $15,000, I want us to spend at least $10,000 on the wedding, and maybe the rest of the money invested later. We'll just start.
Shut your mouth. What are you saying? You want to invest on my wedding day. You decided to live your life, not do or make any investment. Waited for me to come into your life on my wedding day. You want to invest? What is this?
Baby,
Is this a joke?
But what you just said, where are we gonna get that type of money from?
We can just get a loan. You say you have 15,000. You just get 45, 60,000. Dream wedding. Hello.
Okay. Let's say we get the $60,000 as a loan. I just really want you to think about us taking some of that money and maybe invest in the rest. Maybe we're just starting.
Oh, shut your mouth. What do you mean?
Baby, come on.
What? We should go for the loan for you to use as an investment? Babe, you don't even love me. Because this is a disgrace. No, you don't love me.
We're just starting over.
No. Starting over with what? With who? I don't think we're on. I don't know what's going on here, boo. I really don't. You can't get $60,000 for this wedding? No. It's not happening. No, please.
Baby, are you just gonna walk off? Come on, baby. Counselor, can you believe she wants to spend $60,000 on a wedding?
What is wrong with $60,000?
That's a huge amount of money we don't have.
People spend more than that. $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. I'm being reasonable here.
Counselor, can you help me
yes.
here?
I hear both of you. You definitely want to spend $60,000. He's saying you can't afford that. Is there any way to meet somewhere in between of something that's more affordable? A win-win, because it's compromise. Marriage is about compromise, and you want to start your marriage off right.
I am compromising. It is more than $60,000. I decided to be reasonable. $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. That's what people spend. Ours was there too, but I said, 80, 90, that's too much for him. So I said, let's do 60,000.
So that sounds like they are in a different financial situation, and it sounds like you guys are in a certain financial situation. You don't want to start your marriage off in financial debt, because most marriages end because of financial trouble. Do you really want to start your marriage off that way?
Really? Is this what you're gonna do today?
matters.
Like, you're supposed to take me to the bank so we can get money, and you brought me to a what? What is this? What is this? Do you love me, David? I don't think you do.
You know I love you.
You are showing me that you cannot take care of me in this marriage. That's what you're showing me right now. Are you really serious? A counselor? At this time? I don't think you love me. You're not ready for this. When you're ready, you let me know. Other than that, we're done. We're done.
Are you?
We're done, David. Look for me when you're ready. That's
Wow. So you're just going to leave? See what I've been talking about?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, baby. Why have you been picking up my calls?
Who's your baby?
Sweetheart, I know you're mad. I know you're upset right now, but I'm sorry, okay? I know we had a misunderstanding. I'm sorry, okay? We can get the loan, okay? Let's get the loan. Let's get the loan, and then we can talk about it.
No.
Okay?
What you need to do is find somebody that you can spend that $15,000 on. Because right now, I have somebody that is giving me $60,000 and more. So this pity party,
Baby,
it is not working for me,
Come on,
honey.
baby.
Mm.
You can just throw away 2 years of relationship.
Honey, 2 years is nothing. I left 7 years for you, honey. Don't you remember?
Come on, baby.
Yeah.
I love you, baby.
No.
Let's work this out. Let's
Yeah,
talk about
no,
this.
honey. Hi.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I am good, except that it's cold out there, girl. I am looking for a 2-bedroom apartment. Do you guys have anything available?
Yeah, we have some 2 bedrooms. How soon are you looking to move?
Next month.
Okay, so did you put in an application
I
online?
did, yes.
Perfect. Okay, so what I can go do is go process your application, and then when I get back, we should be all squared away
Nice.
to have you move in next month.
Okay.
What's your name?
Priscilla.
Priscilla?
Yes.
All right, I'll go process that. I'll
Thank
be
you.
back.
All right.
Priscilla? Am I seeing a ghost?
David? Oh my
Wow.
God.
It's been a while.
It has.
How you doing?
I'm good, and you look so fine.
You look amazing as well.
Thank you. Do you live here?
Well, yes and no.
What do you mean yes and no?
Well, I actually own this place.
Excuse me, what?
Yeah, remember when I used to tell you we should invest that money into real estate, and then you wanted to invest into the wedding. I actually took that money and invested into real estate, and this is one of my properties.
Is it?
Yeah.
David, I've been looking for you everywhere. I went to your old place,
Looking
your
for
family.
me?
Yes.
Why?
You know, I didn't like the way things ended the other time, and since you didn't want to come,
Priscilla, I should let you know I'm actually a happily married person now.
What do you? No, you're not. You just trying to pull my legs.
I
I'm
have
here.
a wife and children. I've actually moved on. What are you doing here, by the way?
I came to look for a room. Since you're the owner, I don't think I have to pay anything. Just give it 2-bedroom, and then we can just move on from
Priscilla.
there. This pretty lady was trying to
Is
help
everything
me.
okay with her?
Right, we know each other.
Actually, no. Your application was denied. Your credit score, it was too low, and you also didn't meet the income requirement.
Priscilla, this is what I used to tell you. You have to try to live within your means. I mean, this is a luxury apartment. If you want to get this place, you have to be able to afford it. I used to tell you this all the time.
David, don't say that to me. Really,
I'm sorry,
do not.
but I just want you to know, like, look, you can't continue to spend money you don't have.
So what? I can't even get a room for myself no more.
I mean, like she just said, you can't afford it.
That's fine. It's yours, so you can just tell her to give me 2 rooms.
Priscilla, I wish I could, but I want you to learn. I want you to learn so you'll be able to. I can't help you if I can't help you. I actually have a meeting right now I have to attend to.
Baby, I'm so sorry. How many times do I have to apologize?
I'm sorry.
I really am sorry.
Like I said, I've moved on. I have to go. I have to go. Nice to see you.
Can you run that credit again?
I think it's very interesting how these days we spend so much on weddings. We go for loans and spend money that we don't have just to impress people who don't really care about us. People who only come to the wedding just to eat, drink, gossip, dance, and go home. We try so hard to impress people. We go broke just to show people that we are rich. And I think it's ridiculous. Don't get me wrong. If you're rich and you have the money to spend, go for it. But if you don't have that money, don't go for it alone, because that is a recipe for disaster. Shalom.